To my dear government of India, the NEET PG exam was conducted on 2021 and now it is 2022. No first year postgraduates have joined in the respective departments till now. You know how distressing and how stressful is it for a first year postgraduate. He will be waiting his juniors will come and so that the work can be divided and done. In government colleges and private colleges, how many cases are there to see? And without a postgraduate self, how can we just see these cases? And me being a postgraduate in my earlier years, I know how stressful it was being in first year. And these guys, these first year's postgraduates are there for 2 years. 2 years they are doing their first year post. What is this logic? 1 year have passed away. And what the reasons you people are saying for not doing this counseling? The Supreme Court is on holiday. Do you think these are some logical reasons? Please understand the pain of the postgraduates and please put them in the counseling. And second very important point, the manpower is already less. And if you are just not allowing these doctors to take their seats and come and join over here, then who will take care of the work? And third important point, we know Omicron has came, the COVID cases are again rising. Again, we are ready to go inside and work. Do we not need the manpower? And you people are not admitting this first year postgraduates, and what is this? What is this? So this postgraduate should be admitted as early as possible. Counseling must be conducted as early as possible. All the persons are waiting with the ranks, man, and you are not giving a future for them and giving us simple reasons like Supreme Court is on leave, blah blah, some small petty cases and just extending this matter to this level. I cannot agree. See, me being a consultant, but still I am worried about a postgraduate because I know the pain of the postgraduates. And definitely, I am really worried. IMM should come forward. Senior doctors should come forward. And they should not leave the government to just do it as early, as late as possible whenever they are giving इच्छा कब करेगा तो हम करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होते हैं. जरूरी है अभी करना है, मतलब अभी करना है यार. कितने दिन हो गया? सीनियर डॉक्टर्स, IMA सब लोग सामने आओ. And yesterday in Delhi, you know what happened? They had bet the doctors doing a silent protest. Does a doctor doesn't even have an PG doctors doesn't even have the basic rights to do and protest that please conduct a counseling for us and give us an admission? And you people want to just say go bark, and none of the medias are also covering. What is this? Medias must cover the pain of a doctor. A postgraduate admission is not happening. What is this? Not only the doctors who are working as postgraduates. Think about the persons who are waiting with their ranks. They would have got some 2000 rank. Example, I was a 2000 rank in my All India. I was waiting whether I will get my MD seat or not. And suppose if I am not getting, then I have to prepare for the next year's exam. So think about the persons who are waiting for the rank, whether I will get a seat or not. Contact the counseling, man, so that they will also have a mind relief that okay, my seat is confirmed. I will get, okay, I did not get a seat, okay, I will prepare for the next year. So please understand this MBBS, MD, it is not an easy course. You can dance, you can sing, you can do politics, you can do anything, but you cannot study. Studying is not an easy job. And these doctors are giving their life and studying and doing for welfare of the nation, taking care of the health. Please take this matter serious, my dear government, and media please cover and allow the doctors to protest. Protest is not at all a wrong thing. Why they are protesting? If you conduct and counseling and you are putting in seats, we are all going to again do our work. So please, my dear government of India, understand the pain of a doctor. Though we are being a consultants, we, our team are standing with the postgraduates of the entire India. Need PG counseling as soon as possible, conduct. And please make the admissions as soon as possible so that all the second year PGs will be happy and we all can continue our work. Omicron is also in rise. Please do something for that also. Thank you.